This is an Envirofan Gold Line 136F Industrial, 36 inches in diameter with a trumpet canopy. Look, camera's off balance. Let's take a closer look. Again, trumpet canopy, tiny Tim 36-inch span, Envirofan sticker. And it's got this thing up here. I don't know why, but you know. Here's the wall control. Sorry. Excuse me while I put the phone back on the tripod here. There you go. Should be all nice and good now. You speds are gonna kill me if those blades are not fully in frame. Okay, here we go. Now, I do think that is a speed where it moves. I don't know. But I'm not going to go into the camera frame just to fix it because I don't want to get my face leaked. The bearings do still need to break in, but after like a couple of uses, like over the past 30 minutes or so, like they've broken in a little bit. So of course you've got that solid state cardboard box variable speed buzz. Don't really care about it. Because if we were to run this fan, we'd probably run it on high overnight. And the buzz would be all but non-existent. Slightly turn it up a little bit. This is not my first time operating a industrial ceiling fan with variable speed. In the weightlifting room at my school, actually, there are about 4 black can-arm industrials in the 36-inch span, and they're all on the same wall control. And that wall control also has a reverse switch on it. So sometimes I would mess with them, but I can't anymore because we're done with that unit. Ignore the water running through the pipes in the background. We're about to go on a trip, so I gotta make this recording short and sweet. I'd say now it's going just a bit faster than my Hampton Bay Industrial. Let's go full tilt. And on full speed, this thing flies, to say the least. Yeah, it's really putting out a good amount of air for its size. And I'm not one for spin downs, so I'm just gonna stop this. And then we'll go 0 to high. And now, I'll give you guys some motor harmonics. Or harmonics, I don't know how you pronounce it. And there you go. New fan. And, new video for it. Oh, and, I am going to start doing higher quality remakes of all my fans now that I have a phone. Because I know you guys probably don't like the shaky cameras and the grainy video quality. So, yeah. And another thing I've noticed when I watch my videos on YouTube, like, it feels like the sound is only coming from the left and, like, on the right, like, it's not there. Because I have headphones that are sort of, like, immersive like that, but whatever. There you go. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.